2 minutes. SM, where are you from?
Florida.
Florida.
Yes.
Nice weather. I'm in New England right now, near New York, Connecticut, and it's very cold. Very cold. Yeah. I have a conference here, and yeah, Florida, the weather is beautiful.
It is. Yeah, but I'm out of Florida at the moment. I'm not in the state. I'm out of the state at the moment. Yeah.
Look like
But
you're
you're right.
driving. Watch out. Hopefully someone drive for you, not the Tesla self-driving. So how's everyone business? I mean, rate dropped a lot last week. So I hope you get some business going. Rate dropped a lot. A lot of people refinance now. And I know for sure that rate gonna drop more. Chum, he gonna drive down the rate more. See, he only pressure Fannie Freddie to $1 billion bond and rate drop. And you know, in June, he will replace the Fed chairman, and the rate gonna drop more. So I hope that you are ready to help your client with the refinance. Let's see. If you have the camera, please turn it on. I would love to see you face to face. And I think we can start now. So we all know that the market has changed a lot. Real estate and mortgage market, right? Real estate slowed down a lot. Rate went up a lot and didn't drop much. Everything slowed down. But I think more importantly, you can see that 80% of realtor, they don't close any transaction last year. And a lot of them also get in the loan license and become loan officer. So realtor are more demanding now. They either get licensed and do the business themselves, make money themselves, or if they refer to you, they are very picky. And I see that our business are getting more challenging, more difficult nowadays. So I hope that you are aware of the changes out there with the technology, with a lot of consolidation, like Zillow. They now open up their mortgage division. Rocket now buy Redfin and Mr. Cooper. So there's a lot of consolidation, a lot of changes out there. And if you want to be successful, not only you have to be so much better, but the company that you are with have to help you, right? But you by yourself is really difficult. And I will prove that to you. So in today's meeting, I will show you everything about Loan Factory, everything that I do to grow my business. I will show you all the benefit that Loan Factory have to offer loan officer like you. And I really, really want you to compare Loan Factory versus your current company. Compare everything, okay? I want you to compare everything so that you can decide if it's better to join Loan Factory or not. And this is all to benefit you, right? You want your company to be more powerful. Your company, you are running your own business, right? So you want to offer your client a lot more. You want to help your client a lot more. That's how you can become successful. If you cannot compete against all the loan officer in your city, you're not good. You're gonna lose client. So I guess I want all of you to be competitive. Compare your business, your service, your rate versus your competitor. Compare to Loan Factory. So now I will share with you my screen so that I can show you. And along the way, if you hear anything from me that you have a question, raise your hand right away. Or if you have a question that's not related to what I'm talking about, please wait to the end, because there's a lot that I will cover today. Okay, and feel free to raise your hand and ask a lot of questions. I love the webinar to be interactive. I want to hear from you and answer your question. So do not be afraid to ask a lot of questions. So let me share with you our website. Here is our website. And the website is very simple but powerful. You can see that on the left side, we have $1,000 best price guarantee. And I bet that all of you never heard about such a program. I guarantee my clients that I have the best pricing. If not, I pay them $1,000. And here's the term and condition. All states except Washington. And the client can upload the loan estimate. That's the first step. The second step, we will tell them if we can beat that loan estimate or not. And if we cannot beat it, we tell them, hey, go ahead and close the loan and send us the CD to prove that. We will pay you $1,000. It's really simple. Give us a chance to beat all the lender out there, all the loan officer out there. And the client love it, because all they need to do is give us the loan estimate, and we prove to them if we can beat that or not. And it's very simple. The term and condition here, restriction here, we will not honor, we only honor fixed rate, conventional, conforming, no jumbo, no high balance. We also honor FHA and VA loan. Okay, so this is our promise. Hello, Brian.
Hey, will you do USDA loans also?
Yeah, we can do USDA too. It's just that we didn't put it in here.
Okay.
Yeah, we do USDA well.
On the $1,000 guarantee, will you do USDA?
Yeah, we can honor USDA too.
Okay.
And you, when you join Loan Factory, you can promote this program. You can promote this program, and in case, just to share with you, in the past 2 years, we haven't lost any money. 2 years. We launched this for 2 years. We haven't lost any money. It's very powerful. It helped us get so many clients, and they are happy because they get the best rate. The only thing we ask you to do is willing to compete. You have to be willing to compete. Let's say a new client approach you and give you the loan estimate and say, hey, Brian, can you beat this deal? Of course, we look at it. We try to beat it, right? We try to win, right? And that's all we ask for. Wherever the offer from the other loan officer, try to beat it. That's all I ask for. And that means you have to be willing to lower your COM all the way to 0. And if you lower to 0 and we still cannot beat it, then the company will pay for $1,000. Okay, so this is a great program that Loan Factory help you so that you can promote. You know, most of us, we know that we need to be active on social media. We need to post a lot, right? But on social media, there's so many people there posting crazy things. So if you post something on average, something normal, nobody pay attention, nobody care. But if you post something like this, I guarantee I have the best pricing. If not, I pay you $1,000. You say something like this, people will impress. People will like you and want to reach out to you and try you out, right? Or at least they remember you and say, oh, that guy, that girl had this program. I better check with him or her 6 months from now when I buy the house or when I refinance. So that's what we want to impress the people out there so that they know us. It's all about building a reputation, right? So, and then this is just a little program that we have. We have so many other things that we can share with you. On the right side here, you can see we have the pricing engine, and it's full doc and no income doc as well. So we have pricing engine, and I bet most of you know about Loan Shifter or lender price, right? Our pricing engine is better because it's easy to use and it's more helpful. I will prove it to you. So our pricing engine is available for the consumer, not like Loan Shifter or lender price. Our website, our pricing engine, a consumer can go in and run the pricing, right? So let's say the borrower have low credit score, and let's check out the pricing. So this is what makes us better. We check to see if the borrower qualify for the affordable home ownership program, which is Freddie Mac, like Home Ready, Home Possible, or AMI Ready, the area median income discount. So if, let's say if the income is high, they don't qualify for any of this. But if the income is this, $230,000, they qualify for the rate discount. And check it out, the rate that if the income is considered low, $230,000, and check out the rate. Remember, this borrower have only 20% down and low credit score. And check out the rate here, 5.625. The reason is there's a big adjustment of where is it? 2.25% here. We waive it. So imagine this pricing come with 1% compensation. So imagine you don't use pricing engine, or you don't use our pricing engine, right? And you ignore the income. You don't get any special assistance here. Look at the pricing. Because low rate and you got 20%, the rate is 6.5%. Very bad. And some of you, the consumer, look at how many lenders we are working, 33 lenders. We shop among these lenders so that we give our client the best pricing. So the best pricing, I mean, imagine you work with these lenders on the bottom here. Your rates are high. So at Loan Factory, our loan officer use pricing engine every time. It's so easy to use. The client use it, the loan officer is using it, so that we get better pricing. And when we show this pricing engine to our client, they love it because they know that we shop around for them. We pick the best lender for them. They know that. And in business, in our business, trust is so important. We want our client to trust us, that we have the best rate, we have the best service, so that they love to work with us. So this is our pricing engine, very powerful. If you select the income, you see that you get the benefit. And you can see that the rate now dropped so much to 5.625%. And think about this, if I quoted my client 5.625 and you quote the same client 6.5, which one the client will pick? Of course, they will pick me. They pick Loan Factory because our pricing is so much better. So pricing is really important. As long as you shop around every single loan, you can secure the best pricing for your client, and they will love you. Someone told me that some people told me that I don't care about the pricing. My client not gonna shop around. But look at the difference. This one and the one down here, $2,000 or $3,000 different. It's a lot of money. Imagine you can use that to offer the client better rate. I mean, I just feel that as the loan officer, we have the fiduciary duty to help our client get better rate. So there's a lot more feature, like you can click on it to compare. You can do a buy down option, choose option, and compare. And see the break-even point right here. Beside comparing buy down like this, you can do a 30 versus 20-year rate. And all you need to do is just select it. And then you can compare. Here you can see the difference. Option 2, which is 20-year, you save $175,000. You save a lot. And then you can share with your client. Our system is really cool. You can compare the buy down. You can compare the loan term. You can compare the loan program, FHA versus VA, versus conventional. You can compare so that you can give your client the best deal. Okay, so it's easy to use, very powerful. Not only that, you can view the fee. You click on it, you can see the fee here. The consumer can see it. And then we have all the features like apply now, where they will click on it and fill out the application. They can create a rate alert. So the rate alert is really powerful. The rate alert will monitor the rate daily, and it will tell you if it is time to refinance or not, or it's time to lock the rate or not. So the rate alert is really powerful. You can create a rate alert here, and by default, the target rate is what you select. The target point is 0, and you can enter the client information, and that's it. So that is the rate alert. We also have this feature called qualify now. So if the client asks you, hey, I don't know if I qualify, my income is $8,000. What you can do is you can click on qualify now and enter 8,000 here. The system will tell you if they qualify or not. Okay, so this is the qualification page. Let me share with you something else. Oh, we have the non-QM pricing engine right here. So I bet that most loan officers don't know how to, when you have a non-QM loan, you are very confused. You don't know which product or which lender you should send the loan to. And our system is really good. Our underwriter will help you They can tell you what lender you should send a loan to. They are very good. So so this is a non-QM loan. You can run pricing on non-QM loan, and there's many different types of non-QM loan, right? If it's owner-occupied, we select bank statement by default. And here's the rate today, 6.375 with no point. But you can also do investment and it turn to a DSCR loan, and you can check the rate here. The rate is around 6.7, 6.875. And we have all the breakdown here. Any question for me? By the way, any of these pricing engine, you can run it yourself.
How did you get to that breakdown?
Oh, the breakdown is so easy. You click on the lender name here. It will show you all the breakdown. The base price at this rate, the lender give us this much. And then the total adjustment down here is here. Total adjustment. and then you get the adjusted price, and then from that you know what is the lender credit. The lender credit given to the borrower, but the borrower has to pay $4,000 closing costs. So at the end, they pay only $1,016. Okay, so if you click on the lender name, you see the explanation in real time. In real time.
Okay. On that screen, sir, can you explain a little bit about what's the compensation to the loan officer?
On this particular
Because
screen, if
maybe-
you, yeah, if on this screen, if you click on the lender name.
Sorry.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So here's the screen. If you click on the lender name, you can see the breakdown. You can see broker compensation, and it's set at 1%. So you at the loan officer, you decide how much you want to charge your client. You can charge 1%, 0.5%, 1.5%, or 2%. It's up to you. Okay, you decide.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me share with you. Okay, this page.
Hey, real quick before you move on,
Yes.
I had a customer ask me yesterday about a 10-year rate, and I was trying to compare my current company to yours, and I couldn't figure out how to pull up a 10-year rate.
So when you run the pricing, we have it here on the top. We hide the 10-year. If you lock in, you can see it. If you lock in, you can see it. Let me show you that. Let me show you. Okay, here. Let me lock in. When you lock in, you see more. I don't want to confuse the client. So when I log in, I see this, and I can run the pricing, same pricing, refinance. Purchase, right? Keep it purchase. And then let's check the rate. Here, you can see 10 years right here. You can click on 10 years, you can see the 10 years. It's a lot of choices, but I don't want to overwhelm the client. That's why I hide some. I hide the option for 10 years. Not many people can afford 10 years. 4.75 here. Very good. Okay. So let me move.
So
Thank you.
can I
Thank you.
ask you?
Hey, I have a few questions. Can I?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, go
all
ahead.
right. So question on the price guarantee. Is that only for new purchase, or is that also refinance?
Refinance and purchase both.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And you mentioned that in order to compete, we need to be willing to drop our comp all the way to 0. So if we do that, do we still pay the flat fee and the processing fee, or the transaction fee,
Question.
whatever it's called?
So we have a flat fee of $595 and
Mhm.
processing fee of $500. So the total is $1095. So when you drop your commission, if it's less than $2,200, then we will split 50-50. So let's say if the loan amount is so small, or if you competing and you lower your comp to $1,500 only,
Mhm.
then we will split 50-50. You pay the company $750, you keep $750.
Okay.
So, and then if the commission is negative, that means you don't do it. The company will pay. So there's no way you will lose any money.
Got it. Cool.
Yeah, you either
And-
make money on the commission, or you gain that client, or
Got
both.
it. And you said it, this price guarantee only applies to conventional FHA and VA loans.
Yes.
Okay, so so for jumbo and ARM loans,
We-
is Loan Factory just not competitive at all, or
Correct.
are we still
Correct.
able to compete?
Correct. As a broker, we cannot compete against the bank or credit union on jumbo and adjustable rate. So therefore, we cannot compete at all.
What about the HELOC?
Yeah, heat lock as well. We cannot compete. Nobody good at everything. So as a broker, we can shop around. We can give our client the best rate, but only for conventional, conforming, FHA, and VA.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
you still have competitive pricing on those products?
Pretty decent too. Yeah.
Decent, yeah, comparing to other brokers.
Exactly. Always. You can try it out. The website is available for everyone. You can try it out. You can see our pricing is very competitive.
Thank you, John.
Okay,
Yeah.
regarding the price guarantee, not included Washington. I'm from Washington, so can I ask why?
Yeah, because the state of Washington is very difficult and unreasonable. The program is good for the consumer, right? Consumer can shop around. We motivate them to shop around. They get better pricing, but they don't like it. They told us to shut it down. So that's why. I'm sorry. You can ask the regulator and say, hey, why you don't like this? This is good. I really want you to talk to the regulator there and ask them why this is a good program, but you don't want Loan Factory to launch in Washington. I really want them to hear our story so that they understand.
Who can I ask?
Contact the Washington Department of Finance, WDF, I believe. Contact them and say, hey, I'm a loan officer. I joined Loan Factory, and I see that they have this great program. Loan Factory have this program everywhere except Washington. And it's because your department say they cannot run it. They cannot promote it. Just ask them.
This is only for the $1,000 one, right?
Exactly.
Because I'm in Eastern Washington, Spokane.
Yeah, same thing. The state of Washington. I really want you to talk to them. Ask them why. What is their reasoning? They are being very ridiculous. This is a great program to help the consumer, and I don't know why they don't like it.
Duan, quick question. On FHA, for example, let's say we could get 4% in rebate at 6.5 as an example. Can we apply that towards lender credit?
Why 4%? You mean?
Well, let me give you let's say a regular 30-year fix with our comp making 2% is at 5.875 for the sake of saying, right? And we want to help the buyer with potential closing costs. Can we go with 6.25 and apply the rest of the rebate to?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So yes, but we don't want to give too much rebate to the borrower, because some borrower playing game. They want a lot of rebate and they turn around refinance. So I warn you, don't be too nice to your client. Give them some rebate, but not too much.
I got you.
Yeah, they take advantage of you because they know that the loan has no prepayment penalty. So they know some of the client, they know their loan is so clean, it's so easy to close. So they take advantage. They close a loan and they make 5,000. And they turn around, they refinance again. They keep doing that. So watch out those borrowers.
Got it.
Yeah, thank you. Any more question, or I can move on? Jerry? Hi, Jerry.
Yeah, I was just going to say on that, I tend to kind of like to do no-cost refinance deals. So much like the last person mentioned, where we want to be able to have enough of a credit to be able to pay those closing costs.
Yeah,
And-
I do the same thing. I do all of my refinance. I always do no point, no cost.
Okay. And then the other thing I was going to ask or just maybe state on there was that if we're needing to compete for that $1,000 or the $1,000 guarantee, I guess the two options that we have will be either to flip the loan over to borrower paid or to go through the correspondent lender options.
Yeah, we have both. We allow
But
you to switch to borrow pay and lower your com, or you can send a loan to the correspondent channel so that you can change your compensation. Yes.
But essentially you would have to do one or the other to lower the compensation.
Correct.
And if you were doing a no cost deal, the flipping it to borrower paid oftentimes becomes a stumbling block.
Yes, because you charge the borrower, and therefore it's very difficult or impossible to do no point, no cost. Some borrowers say, I don't want to bring in any money because no point, no cost. I don't want you to play game and make me pay. You know, some borrowers are suspicious of loan officer. They don't trust loan officer. So that's why with these cases, you have to do correspondent.
So and that's exactly where I was figuring it. What goes that most of the time, in order to comply with the $1,000 guarantee, you'll have to take the file correspondent.
Correct. Thank you. Hello, Will. Hello, Will. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Something wrong with your mic. Try to check your mic, okay? And I'll come back. Something wrong with my phone. I don't know why, but I'll be right back.
There we go. I'm off mute. I'm sorry about that. Can you hear me okay now?
Yeah, go ahead. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I have screens now. Just a quick question. I was going through the lender roster and I see that you have Rocket and Rocket Pro. Are we able to do business with UWM as well?
We cannot do business with UWM because UWM and Rocket are enemy.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
They are
the same way
enemy.
with my last firm. We had Rocket and we couldn't do any business with UWM. So you settled for Rocket as a better option?
Yeah, and Rocket is better. They give us 10 basis points special. They give us no EPO policy, and they give us free credit report. We can pull credit report on their website. They give us a lot of benefit, and they also help. They also help our client get better credit score. So let's say, when you pull the credit report, on top of the credit report, say plus 10, plus 15, plus 25.
Right.
Rocket can help us. They work with the client. They try to increase the score for us.
Yeah. Give them
At the same time,
give them a little bump.
Exactly. And they do that for us for free while they underwrite the loan and approve the loan for us. So it's really nice. They are nice that way.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you're not somewhat competitive. You said that competing for the jumbo business is a little difficult. Rocket's usually
no one can compete against the bank. I am living in the Bay Area, San Jose, and I know that really well. Most of the houses are over $1 million. So we deal with jumbo loan a lot, and we cannot compete.
Yeah, I'm in South Florida. Same thing here. So the prices are similar.
Yeah.
Maybe even with I don't know, maybe a 5-1 or it depends.
Yeah.
No, not even close, huh?
Yeah, not even close. Hi, Jerry. You still have your hand raised.
Thank you.
Okay, let me continue. So here's our system, and you can see as soon as we log in, you see our marketplace. You can see our marketplace. And our marketplace, you can see that we have, let me make it bigger. Our marketplace have 246 lenders. 9 of them are live, online and live. That means you can click on it and talk to the AE live. They will help you with any scenario. So I recommend you to go here and talk to them if you have any question. Okay. And if you click on the lender, you see the AE, the information, email, phone, the ranking. You can do thumb up, thumb down. You can meet them. You can talk to them. Okay. And you can filter by correspondent or wholesale. If you select correspondent, you see that Loan Factory has license in 40 states. Here are the states. And you can see that there are 5 investors that we work with: Rocket Pro, Kylandin, Penny Mac, New Rest, Sunwest. Okay. And here is the list of 246 lender. And you can see that you can also search by product. You can filter by, let's say, private loan. And we have 87 lenders that can do private loan. If you select commercial, we have 56 lenders that can do commercial. Here are the list. So we have a lot. We have all kinds of loan program, home equity. We have these lender, so many lender. And let's say if you have, we can even do mobile home loan. Mobile home loan. We have these lender. So we can do almost any type of loan. And even if it non-QM loan, you can select all kind of program too. The 12-month bank statement, 24-month P&L, WVOE, you can select it and you can see the lender. And even better, you can click on this button, email this lender a scenario. So let's say if you know the scenario well, but you don't know what loan program you should go with or what lender, you can click here and write out a scenario. And then you can send it out to 10, 20 or more lender. And these lender will receive it and they will get back to you. You post it here, right? And so after you post, it will show up in the lender finder. And you can see that our loan officer today asked question and then the lender get back. Your loan officer asked question, you can see lender get back here. So you can post question and lender will jump in and help you. Okay, so that's how we help you to ensure that you can find a lender, you can find a product for your clients. You don't have to say no to your clients anymore or your realtor anymore. We on Loan Factory here, we have our support specialist, our underwriter, our corporate coach. We have a lot of corporate coaches who are live to help you. So if you have any question, this coach will jump in and help you. If you are new, the coach will help you structure the loan. They can review the loan for you. So you can see we have a lot of department, 24 department, where you can ask questions, you can create a ticket for them, and they will get back to you. We have team. We have a lot of team. We have a lot of team. You can join a team and you can have your own team. We have corporate coaches who are available to help you. There's so much more that I don't have time. Or the event, which is, you can see upcoming event. There's a lot of event happening every day. Correspondent training with Rocket, Loan Officer Marketplace, Guide, Sunwest Correspondent training. You know, there's a lot of training every day, a lot for you to learn. And for the completed one, you can watch it. You can watch now. Click here to watch it now. So This is the event that we have. Okay, let me share you with you this. Loan Factory here. Why Loan Factory? Because we have the best technology. I'm going to show you the technology more. I'm going to show you more. You see some of it already. I'm going to show you more. We provide free training. Corporate coach train you. We have an academy online where you can take classes. So for example, here, you can see that here we have My Training Academy. You can click on it. It will take you to the classroom where you can study. You can study. Go to My Courses. You can see all the courses. Home, all courses. Here's all the courses that you can learn. Okay. Let's see what else. Okay, let me share with you here are the benefits here. Marketing support. Our underwriter is available online on the marketplace to help you. If you have a difficult loan, they will help you underwrite the loan, calculate DTI. They will help you find a product for your loan. If you're not sure what lender or what product you should send a loan to, the underwriter can help you. Then we have underwriting support. We have marketing support. Our marketing team can help you with your social media, with your marketing. They can edit your video. They can create a customized image for you. They can run ads for you. If you want to run ads, they can run for you. So our marketing team is really powerful. It's really helpful. They help you, and everything is free. We have the best loan officer support in the company, anywhere in the world. You can see that. You can go online, you get help right away. You can create ticket, you can get help, live help, you can get corporate coach to help you, you can get marketing to help you, you can get underwriter to help you. Everyone is ready to help you. And good thing is you pay no monthly fee, no junk fee. And all the software we provided to you worth like thousands of dollars every month. All kind of software, like all of these software, POS, the support, the LOS, the marketplace, the marketing, the CRM, the pricing engine, all of this we provide to you for free. I will share with you more about that. But now I lost that. Just 1 second. Let me pull it up again. So here, you get paid 100% commission minus a flat fee of $5.95. And then the processing fee is only $500, which is super cheap. So I don't think any company out there offer better than us at all. You get 100% commission if you are 1099. The commission can be 1099 or W-2, and you can be 1099 or W-2. Most people don't want to be W-2 because we pay you only 90% of the commission. 1099 you get 100%. W-2 you get 90% only. And you can get stock too. So we have stock, company stock, and if you close on average 5 loans a month over the past 12 months, you can get 10,000 shares, and these shares vested after 12 months. So 100% will be vested after 12 months, and then you will get new batch of RSU. Okay, and if you refer someone and that loan officer got stock, you get stock too. Okay. Any questions so far? I can move on.
Yes. You said that the bonus, no, the commission will be 100% minus the flat fee and the processing fee. Is
Yes.
it for every loan like that?
Every loan, correct.
So every loan we pay you more than 1,000, is it?
Yeah, 1095, which is really cheap, because if you use a third-party processing company, they normally charge you $700 to $800, and that only processing. You know, so no, you compare Loan Factory versus all other company out there, they charge you a lot more.
So how do you structure it if you have an LOA that you need to cover their payroll?
You should not have an LOA, because our company provide you a processor who can help you. We also have a loan coordinator in the company can help you. And loan coordinator or LOA, we charge only $150 per closed loan. Very cheap.
It's for closed loan, you will charge.
Yes. Yeah,
If
per
not
closed
closed,
loan.
no charge.
Correct.
But we will charge after we get commission. You deduct it, or we have to
Correct.
buy upfront.
We deduct it from your commission. Yeah.
What if you want to bring your loan officer assistant with you from another company? Can that be worked out?
If you bring in a loan officer assistant, that person have to be licensed.
They are licensed. I did
Then
over
that-
35 million last year.
Yes.
I
Yes.
really need assistance.
Yes, if that is the case, yes, you can bring in an assistant to the company. We will create a team for you. And when you have a team like that, you can work together. It's perfect. Yeah, we allow that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell us one more time about the choosing between the W-2 or 1099?
Yeah, in some state like Nevada, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Massachusetts, Georgia, some of the state require loan officer to be paid in W-2. And if you are W-2, the company will pay you 90% of the commission, not 100% of the commission. You understand that?
And after minus something?
Yeah. So instead of, if you are 1099, you get 100% commission, and then you pay the company 1095, right?
Yes.
But if you are
and then-
W-2, you get 90% of the commission, and then you pay the company 1095. And then you have to pay the state and federal tax as well.
What if you have homes in multiple states? Can you change your home address to where you don't have to be W-2?
It's not about your home address. It's about your state license. So if you have a license in Nevada and you want to practice in Nevada, you must be W-2. So in general, if you don't want to be W-2, then you should not practice. You should not get the license in those states. That's it. Yeah. And then you can be 1099. It's your choice. It's your choice.
But
Hi,
on
Tammy.
W-2,
Yes.
do you pay for like other benefits like medical insurance or something
No.
else?
No.
Nothing. Just
Nothing.
W-2.
Yeah.
So
you-
even W-2 or 1099 always have to deduct 1095 first.
Yes. And you get 90% commission. You have to pay 1095. No matter, you have to pay that amount.
I see.
And can you charge the 1095 to the borrower on the CD for like a commitment fee, admin fee, whatever you want to call it?
You can charge the 500 processing fee to your client for processing fee if you use the correspondent channel.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that.
And are the underwriters in-house or are they with each individual broker?
The underwriter in-house, but they only help you with the pre-approval, with restructuring and structuring and all that. The lender also have underwriting as well. The lender also underwrite the loan as well. Yeah, it's just additional layer. We help you if you need help from our underwriter. Yeah.
Can I ask some question about pricing?
Let me go from by order. Hi, Tammy. Tammy?
Yeah, this is him. Yeah. I want to ask about the pricing. So if you go back to the pricing engine.
Yes, let me do that.
Yeah, can you please
go
share
ahead.
your screen?
Yes.
Okay, just click get quotes.
Yeah, let me do that now. Same scenario like this?
Yeah, same scenario, just any scenario, just get quote.
Okay. And what is the question about?
So I want to see, so I see there are two different breakdowns. One is has like base price, total adjustment, lender credit, broker compensation cost.
Yes.
And the other one is what the borrower typically sees, like
yes,
what is the underwriting fee and credit? I mean, how do these two correlate?
You can ignore the one on the left.
Okay.
You can ignore the one on the left. The one on the right is easier to track. Yeah, I probably would take down the one on the left. It's more confusing.
Okay, so which one do I, as a MLO, have control on?
You have control only one thing, which is the compensation here.
Broker compensation, that blue line.
Yeah, nothing else. You cannot control anything else. You can control your own compensation. So if you charge more, the borrower have to pay more. If you charge less, the borrower get all the credit.
Okay, but this charge is not reflected on the left side. So borrower
It is. You can expand it, but this is, you can see it here because you log in. I log in right here.
Right.
But the borrower, they don't see this. The borrower cannot see this.
Okay.
And when you join Loan Factory, we build a website like this for you, and you can customize it. You can change this compensation. It's up to you.
But will this affect the rates?
Of course, if you make 2% or 2.5%,
okay,
and you
then how do I know at which rate is the customer seeing? Because he's seeing from a non-logged-in account.
They see everything except that compensation. They see all of this.
Okay, Visa is based on what compensation?
2.5. I just changed it, and that's why the rate go up a lot. The United, there's some variation. Loan United, we put 1.5 a maximum, but Penny Mac we do 2.5 here. I just changed it to 2.5. You can see that, so the borrower can see. Will see higher rate because I make more money. Loan officer make more money. The borrower will see higher rate.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Tammy. Hi, Gerard.
Yeah, hi. Nice to meet you. For the broker model, I got a few questions, but for the broker model, I want to understand what the lender compensation looks like for LPC, right? So if you don't go borrower paid, lender paid comp, what does that look like? Does it differ for each individual lender, or how do you set that up per your choice?
Yes, good question. So lender pay compensation, it applies to the entire broker. So at Loan Factory, we set 2.5 with most broker, except two company, except two lender. Loan United, we set at 1.5, and Provident Funding, we set at 1. All other lender, we set at 2.5.
I see. So it gives you the opportunity to be competitive with those two lenders, or you can make a bigger spread on the other side. And then can we do correspondent on FHA, or is that only allowed on when you're on a W-2 on those brick and mortar states?
I'm not sure. We can try it here. I'm not sure we can try it here. and then we can select FHA. No, we cannot. We cannot do FHA.
Okay, so FHA will always be brokered, lender pay comp, or borrower pay.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
correct.
And then just regarding, the actual LOS, because I know we're coming up on the hour. I'm not sure if we'll have time to even go through that, but I'm very curious what that looks like, because what you're saying is there's no tech fees, which means that you have your own platform.
Yes.
I pull credit reports through that. Do I pay for the credit reports myself as well?
Yeah, we will create an account for you with the credit agency, and you pay for it. However, the website that we built for you, you can turn on an option so that your borrower, when they fill out the application, they can pull the credit, they can pay for it. So either way, you pay or the borrower pay. If you pay, we will charge the borrower back at closing and pay you back. If the borrower pay, then it's done. Yeah.
And then I know there's a lot of lenders like PennyMac and Rocket Pro, for example. They offer you to do the pulls inside of their system if you register the loan with them too.
Correct.
So basically, I can come with a zero out-of-pocket cost model in order to originate any loan.
Exactly. Zero cost. Yeah. No money.
Is there a way to, like I said, I know we're coming up in the hour. Is there any way to see the LOS at a different time?
No, I will show it to you now, actually.
Okay.
I will show it to you now. So here's our main website, right? The borrower can quote rate and they can apply. They can quote rate. They can quote rate like this, and they see the rate and they can apply right away. Or they can click on the top here, loan application, and fill it out. Or here, they can click on apply. They can click on the action and apply. And when they apply,
I think you should. I'm not sure we're seeing the same thing.
I didn't share the screen. I'm sorry. Oh, here. Let me share a different screen. I'm sorry.
While you're pulling that up, what about white labeling my own brand on top of this? Because I have my own brand name as well, right?
Yeah. So there are two ways you can have your own name. Let's say your name, your brand is ABC Mortgage.
Mm-hmm.
You can, Loan Factory don't allow you to have DBA. So if you want to keep that name, it have to be like ABC Mortgage powered by Loan Factory. So whenever you mention ABC Mortgage, you must mention powered by Loan Factory.
Yeah, I'd be okay with that.
Yeah, you have to do that. Yeah, we allow that. And so here is what you see right here, right? On top here, there's loan application, or the borrower can click here and click apply now. And then we'll go to the loan application. So our system, we build everything together, the POS, the LOS, the pricing engine, the CRM, everything together in one piece of software. And here is the application. Borrower can click on it and fill out the application. We are very smart. We detect if the borrower applied with this in the past, and we can use the same information to populate it for them. And we have AI version as well. And let me share with you that AI version. We have AI to help loan officer to fill out application. I cannot share with you the production side, website, because I cannot show the borrower name, the privacy thing. So I can only show you this sandbox server. So let me share with you the website here. Here's the website. When you log in, this is what you see. On top, you can see the pricing engine. We turn up the hot lead. We have lead, prospect, and loan. These are the three main pipelines. List pipeline is where you work with lead, right? And prospect pipeline is the same thing as application. If the borrower fill out an application, then it goes to this prospect pipeline. And on this prospect pipeline, you can see the borrower name when they fill out application, the summary of the name here, of the loan here, the status. You can see the percentage of completion. And when the borrower fill out application, our system is smart. We send you a text message so that you know that, oh, the new borrower just fill out application, and you can call the borrower to help them finish the application. So you can see the percentage complete here. The to-do is actually the condition that we ask from the borrower to upload. So you can create rate alert right here as well. So this is the prospect pipeline. That means my own prospect. If you work in a team, you can see the whole team prospect. If you work in a branch, if you are the branch manager, you can see all of the branch. On companies from someone higher up that can see everyone in the company. And we have the loan pipeline as well. The loan pipeline is the loan that's submitted to the lender. You know, the prospect is the application. And you know that a lot of borrowers, when they apply, they are not ready. Either they need to find a house, they need to be in contract, or sometimes borrower apply for refinance, but they never committed. So that's why we have 3 different pipeline lists: prospect and loans, to group all the same transaction together. So this is the loan pipeline, right? You can see the loan, you can see the lock status. If it's locked, you can click on it. You can see the lock information. You can see the lender. You can see the alert, rate alert. So the way I work, all of my clients, I create rate alert for them so that I can create a rate alert, and I run the pricing. I create rate alert. The rate alert is so powerful. It's so important because I can create a rate alert, right? And the alert will monitor the rate for you. I can create a rate alert like this. And rate alert will monitor the rate for me. What I do is, let me take back a little bit. I go back to the production right here. Here's the production, and here's on the left menu here. I can create a new loan. As a loan officer, I can create a new loan. When I create a new loan, I can manually fill it out. By the way, the borrower, when they fill out application, they only see a short version of the application. They don't see everything. We want them to quickly finish the application. So we have 2 versions. One version of the application for the borrower. One version, the full version. And as the loan officer, you can fill out the application by filling out it manually, or you can have AI to help you, or you can invite borrower to fill it out. You send out a text message or email, they will fill it out for you. You can issue a pre-qualification letter right away, or you can import a 3.4 XML file. So let's say you want AI to help you. You can click on it, and you can drag these documents: driver license, tax return, pay stub, bank statement, W-2. You drag it in here, and AI will read it and fill out the application for you. Okay, so here's the application. So when you upload it, AI will read it and progress and fill out application for you. So let me tell you the loan process from A to Z. Okay, it's really important for you to understand the loan process. So for the loan process, first you tell borrower about your rate, everything good, your system, everything good. You tell your borrower, hey, check out my website, go there and check the rate. If you like the rate, click on the application and fill it out. So the borrower go check the rate, they like our application, right? When the borrower fill out application, of course they can use AI to help them. The borrower will, when they fill out application, you get a text message to your cell phone that they are filling out the application, so that you can call the borrower right away and help them finish the application and upload document. Our system is smart. As soon as the borrower finishes the application, the system greet the 1003 and understand and come up with a list of conditions. Then the borrower will upload the document, right? After the borrower upload the document, you will go in, you as the loan officer, you need to go in and review the 1003. You review the document, make sure everything looks good. You pull the credit report. You run AUS and find out. And if everything looks good, you will check the pricing. You click the button and check the pricing. You create rate alert. And because the rate alert is linked to an active loan, so it will send out the code to the client every morning. So I would call the client up and say, hey, Kevin, thank you for filling out the application. I will submit your loan to the lender now. The lender will approve your loan in 1 or 2 days. Meanwhile, I created a rate alert for you. The rate alert will monitor the rate and email you the rate code every morning around 9 a.m. So please check your email every morning for the rate. If you like the rate, call me. I will lock for you. If you don't like the rate, we can wait. But make sure if this is a purchase, because this is a purchase, we have to lock it within about 2 weeks. Otherwise, we cannot close on time. So this is how you tell your client. And then you also say, in about 1 or 2 days, the lender will approve the loan. And they will ask for more document. They will ask for some condition. So my processor is Scott. He will help me. He will work with you to collect more document and send to the lender. So please work with my processor. And of course, I will be on top of everything. If you have any questions, you can always call me. So that's how things work. And the processor, as soon as you, when it's ready to be submitted, you create rate alert. You pick the lender. You pick the rate. You pick the channel, either wholesale or correspondent. You pick the compensation, how much you want to make. You write any special instruction for the processor, and that's it. The processor will jump in, follow your instruction, submit to that lender, that rate, that credit, that they generate the LE, they upload the file to the lender, they generate the disclosure, the loan estimate, and send it to the borrower. They do everything for you. They will also their job is to take care of everything. You don't have to worry. The moment the loan is ready to be submitted to the lender, the processor will do everything. The processor will make sure it's closed on time, smoothly. The processor will work with title company, HOA, the employer for the VOE. They will do everything to make sure the loan is closed. And they will also call you to go over condition with you. So to make sure that you and them are on the same page. Make sure how we can clear all the conditions on time. So they are your assistant. They work with you as a team. So that's how things work. That is the whole process of a loan. Okay? So now I can take more questions before I come back and show with you a lot more feature that we have to help you. Hello, SM. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, LaToya. I'm sorry. I cannot hear you. Can you unmute it? Still cannot hear you. Yeah, sure. I come back to you, LaToya. Hey, SM Realty.
Yes, I hear you. Thank you so much for your time today. We truly appreciate your effort. We are getting a lot of information. We appreciate this. So 2 things. First, if we have a borrower coming with they are working with a competitor, like for example, Nexa, how can we attract that borrower to Loan Factory to make sure we secure the deal and let them come with us and take their business?
You asking about, that is $1 million question. How can the client know you and come to you, right? So
no, I speak about Loan Factory versus Nexa.
Yes. So what is the question? Can you say that again?
So I have a borrower. They are already received an estimate from Nexa loan originator, and now I'm trying to attract them to Loan Factory to work with us.
Perfect. You tell them that we have the best rate. We have the $1,000 best price guarantee. So if they give us that loan estimate, we will beat it. We give them a better pricing. Tell them that, and we can win. Yeah.
Okay. The
It's very
second,
simple. Yeah.
okay. So this is the main point that we are working, that we are always can beat that loan estimate from Nexa. Okay. My second question is about the commission. You mentioned 100%, but my understanding there is other like a split for the first 5 loans.
Yes, because if you're inexperienced, then you can work with our corporate coach. They will help you. They will train you. They will show you what to do. And for the first 5 loans, you get paid only 80%. And after that, you graduated, you become experienced, you can earn 100%.
So this is only for the new loan originator, not for
Yes.
someone with experience on
Correct.
another company and moving to Loan Factory.
Exactly. Correct.
Got you.
Yes.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. We look at your past production, and we can look at that and determine if you are experienced or not. Yeah,
Got you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, LaToya. And you,
I'm sorry. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm
Yeah.
multitasking. I had
Sure.
to pick my grandbaby up.
Sure.
Okay, so my question.
We lost you. We lost you. We have to come back to you later. I'm sorry. Hello, hi, Will. Hello, Will. We cannot hear you, Will. Is it me that I lost everyone? Hello?
We still hear you. I still hear you.
Okay. Hello,
I'm still
Will.
here. Mhm.
Okay, cool. So, Will, I cannot hear you.
Okay, you can't hear me?
Real quick,
Oh, LaToya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super quick question. Are
Okay,
on
were you able to hear me?
Yeah, LaToya. I mean, sorry,
Go ahead,
Will.
Victoria.
LaToya,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, my question was, are we able to be licensed in more than just one state?
Yes. We want you to have license in more states so that you can make more money. Yes, we
Okay.
support you. Yeah.
Okay, and would that require getting I guess test and
No.
okay.
You only pass the test once, and that's good enough. You don't need to
Okay.
take the test again and pass again. You don't
Okay.
have to. It's easy.
Okay.
And now licensing team can help you. We have a web page on our website. If you go to resources, you will have instruction how to get licensed in other states
Okay, gotcha.
on our website. Okay, play around with our website. We have the
I got that.
resources section. Yeah.
Okay, and you said you're new, you do have people that's going to train you. Because I ran into that at Next. I was with Nexa,
Yes.
and it was
We,
none of that once you got in there.
we have a corporate coach. I showed you earlier. They are live to help you.
Okay.
And we have training every day. So you try to follow the coach advice and follow them. If you don't have loan, you can ask advice from them. If you have loan, come to them. They help you.
Okay, and another issue. I'm not trying to compare you to Nexa, but
That's fine.
when
I want you to
a
compare.
lot of times, when we put in the scenario, no one would ever get back. Oh, is that like, do they have a turnaround time or?
We have turnaround time. Okay, we do.
Okay. Yeah.
We do have turnaround time. Everything have turnaround time. So let's say if you have a loan, you need to submit to the lender so that you can lock right away. We have 4 hours turn time. We will take care of it in 4 hours or less. And every day the processor have to touch the loan, and every ticket have to be answered daily. Everything is fast. And then we have live support too. You can go live and ask right away. So
Gotcha.
underwriter are live too to help you. So all kind of support. For sure, you will be happy. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
That's all
Thank
I
you.
got.
Thank you. Hi, Will. Hello, Will. Still cannot hear you. I'm sorry. I cannot hear you. It's breaking up.
How about now?
It's too bad. But can you say something? Let me try to guess it.
Check.
It's really bad. I cannot hear you. And your image is also bad, not clear as well. I'm sorry, Will. I will have to come back to you later. I'm sorry, Will. Yeah, sorry. Hello, Dong. Hello, Dong.
Hello, Anton. So I have a question about the W-2 or the 1099. So
Yes.
I'm currently living at San Jose, California. And
Yes.
if I have the DFPI license,
Yes.
so I will be the W-2 or 1099.
DFPI have in California, there are two licensing authorities, DFPI and DRE. So if you are DFPI, you have to be W-2. I might advise you to get to try to get DRE license, then you can be 1099.
Oh, so but I just finished the pre-licensing course with the DFPI, but I still not have the license yet. So can I change it to DRE now?
Yeah. But for DRE license, you need to pass. You need to study 3 courses, the DRE courses, and pass the DRE exam. So I talk to the onboarding team. They will explain to you, or talk to me afterward. I will explain to you. Okay. Sorry, Dong. Yeah,
right,
the team will explain to you the difference so that you know. Thank you, Dong.
Okay, thank you, Anton.
Yeah. Thank you. Hello, Tuha.
Hi. 9 a.m. we receive the new rate in email. So I would like to ask, what is the deadline to lock the rate for a day? What time is it? Is a Pacific time, EST time, or what?
Most lender allow you to lock all day, even nighttime. Some lender even allow you to lock in the weekend. So there's no deadline. Depend on the lender. But during daytime, in the morning, most lender update the price. So most lender update the rate once every day. In the volatile day, the lender might update the rate midday, or 2 or 3 times. But most of the time, the lender update the rate only once, and we can lock the rate anytime. Even late in the afternoon, you can lock rate too.
I see. If I create a loan and then I help, so I have to go online chatting, or I have a number to call for help from you.
We have a lot of people to help you. You see, when you log into our website, I shared with that earlier. So when you log into the website, you can go to the marketplace. You see that loan factory here. You can see the support specialist and underwriter is here to help you, and the coach are here to help you too. The corporate coach. You can ask for help.
So I have to choose which one is suitable to ask, right?
Yeah. If it's general support, you ask the support team. If you talk about underwriting, talk to underwriter. If you want to ask about anything from other loan officer here, the corporate coach, it will help you. So it's up to you. It's up to you.
I got it. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you. So anyone else have more questions? I have a lot more to share. So let me move on. I'm sorry. Let me share something else really cool. Okay. So here on the main feature here, you can see we have rate alerts. This is a very cool feature. The rate alert have 3 status: in the money, out, near the money, and out the money. In the money, that means our target hit. Let's say refinance. People want 5.5% no cost. And if the target hit, it become daily. We email them every day. If it near the money, we email them weekly. That means it almost hit. are out the money, that means the rate still far away. And you can see I have so many alert. I have a lot of alert. And today alone, look at how many alert, 12 alert with target hit. And I can call them to refinance for them. Let me explain more about the rate alert, how it's work. So when we have an active loan, we create rate alert so that it monitor the rate every day. It email the client so that I don't have to monitor. I don't have to email the client manually. The client got the rate code every day and they call me to lock the rate. So it's powerful. And then as soon as I lock the rate, I turn off the rate alert so that the borrower don't know. If rate drop more, they might ask to lower rate, and I don't like that. So I turn off the rate alert right away the moment I lock the rate. And it's happened automatically. When I go in, I input the lock rate, the system will turn off the rate alert. And then 4.5 months after the loan is funded, we turn it on again for refinance. So we turn it on and lower the target rate. And that's how I stay in front of the client. That's how I make sure the client happy with me, because I create rate alert for them. I monitor the rate for them. So rate alert is so powerful. Commission request, you can go here to request commission when you close a loan. The closing gift, we give out, we offer to send to the borrower a curtain board. And it's good quality and it costs only $46, including shipping. So it's really good. We have ticket. So you can create a ticket, you can track it. You can have a referral partner. You can track them, you can nurture them, you can contact them, you can track the loan that you send to them and they send to you. So you can track all of this. We have digital wallet. We have Loan Factory IQ. This is really cool. Loan Factory IQ. It's similar to HomeBot or My Home IQ, but it's better because easy to use, super easy to use. You can import a lot of homeowner here, and it doesn't have to be the right format. AI will help us. When you drop it here, AI will help us. And we have so many homeowners. So I stay in front of my client all the time. I send them a report. I send them the report, and I can, you can click and see that you can, each house has a report, and you can see how many times they read it. So you can look at the report to open it, and you know the equity in the house, the value of the house. You can see if you want to cash out. If you check the current payment, this is how much you are paying. You can pay early, pay extra. You can check the refinance option. So you can see that they can refinance now for 15-year fixed at 5.25. So we show them all the number here. The current rate is 7%, and now they can get 5.25. So this is the perfect candidate to refinance the loan. So this is free to you. HomeBot and My Home IQ charge at least $130 a month. And here you get it for free. Okay? And you can share it with your realtor too. Your realtor can send to the client. And your name, your picture will be show up in the report. Marketing feature. We have the Facebook ads feature where you can use it to run Facebook ads. You can click here. You can choose, I want lead form or website traffic. You can say, you can filter, you can select what you want to promote, what you want to advertise. You can advertise this one, $1,000 best price guarantee in Spanish. And you can select it. You enter how much money you want to spend per day, a day, and then when you want to end it. Here's the content of the ads. You can change the message, the content, or you can change the image. And what state you want to target. what language you want to target, all of this. And here you can check the box here, so that when the new lead arrive, you'll be notified. You will get notified. So it's really powerful and it's free. This tool, another company charges $297 per month. So Facebook ads, Google review. Most of you want Google review, but you don't have it. You don't know how to create it. You don't know how to collect review. And Loan Factory will help you with everything. We help you have the Google business profile. We help you collect 5-star review. So this is amazing. And we have over 16,000 5-star review from Google. Perfect score. We don't get 4-star or less. And when you work with Loan Factory, you get all of these review because the processor will do a good job and ask for the review for you. Marketing material. We have tons of marketing material, thousands of it. You can just click on it to generate and post it. Like this. There's a lot of great material where you can use to generate and post. We have daily rate, we have meet and fact, we have reviews. If you get 5-star review, you can generate the image and post it. If you can generate the image and post it like this. Or you can do a fast to clear launch. If you clear the launch in 3 days, you can generate the image and post it. So the system know everything. So there's a lot more, and we are working on releasing this feature. We're building a new feature to help you with automated marketing. So all of this now you have to do manually, but in the near future, our system will help you post it automatically. You don't have to spend time doing all of this. Okay, we have email drip campaign. We drip our client on holiday and birthday. Realtor, same thing. We also have follow-up campaign for lead, prospect, and loan. Those are email drip campaign. We have contact list. The contact list you can use to send text message or email. So we have lead funnel and widget. You can create a lead funnel and then drive traffic there and generate lead newsletter. So we also have lead too. So for example here, loan officer important, you can go to company lead and you can see, I want to receive company lead. I want to receive Facebook lead. I want to receive trigger lead. I want to receive rocket lead. So you can check on this, and when we have the lead, we can share it with you. I want to stop here and ask a question. So just 1 second, 1 second. So LaToya, I think you talked already, right? I will move on. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Jamie.
Hey there.
Yes.
So I had a question as far as closing turn time start to finish. What is an average turn time from application to closing table?
From application to ready to be submitted, it can vary. But when we're ready to be submitted to closing, about 18 days.
Okay. And do you do construction financing?
I'm sorry?
Construction financing?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
We can do that.
And then what are the credit report fees and how do we get charged for those? Do we have to put a credit card on file? How does that work?
So we try to get more credit agency to help us, but right now we use Advantage Credit, and we will create an account for you. You are responsible for your account. You pay for it. One way is you pay for your credit report. Another way is you can turn on the switch on your website so that the borrower, when they fill out application, they see the button, they can click on it and pay for it.
Do you know how much the fee is for a credit?
I heard last time it's $123. They just raised it, a lot of money. Yeah, it's we shop already. That is the best rate already. We are big, so we negotiate and get the best deal already. But it's really expensive. Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Thank
Hi,
you.
hello, hi, Craig. Hello, Craig.
You can't hear me. You couldn't hear
I can
me.
hear you. Go
That's what
ahead.
that's what they call user error, guys. I was going to comment. Some people asked about licensing. Last year this time, I was licensed in one state, California. Today, I'm licensed in 21 states.
Wow, nice.
Half my business is out of state. Guess how long it took me to get a license in Missouri?
How many
Anyone
days?
guess? Come on, come on. Less than 10 days. It was like 3 days. I got my license, and I just applied in Arkansas last Monday, and I'll have my Arkansas license next Tuesday. So the platform they have is crazy cool. You just go down the right side, add a state, bing, 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 knock it out. Everyone Loan Factory has helped out, and I've got to be kind of an expert getting licensed on the states, but it's super, super easy to do. So I never see anything as crazy as easy as this. The other thing that I noticed too is that some people are asking about locking. Tuan's absolutely right. You can lock 24/7 no matter what, whether you're in Vietnam, China, or Australia, or Germany, or Switzerland, wherever in the world, you can lock. The only thing I would say is for someone that's new, if the market has a lot of fluctuation where the market is going up and down and crazy, you see that rate, they agree, get them on the phone, lock it right there, because if you don't lock it, the rate could change just like the stock market could change. And I'd explain to people is the interest rates work like a heartbeat. Sometimes it's really even, and sometimes erratic. In 2026, it's going to be a very erratic year for rates. Rates are going to be really good and then jump up like they did today and come back down. So when it's there, lock it, dock it, and go forward. But I would suggest this, just my own personal experience. This is probably not a Loan Factor thing. I'd have your file so tight when you lock it, you're going to docs. Don't try to lock it and create the file, because you're going to have a little cluster on your hands and you're going to have a lot of bird dew on your nose. So just be careful on doing that. Thank you.
Thank you, Craig. Thank you. Yeah. So when you join Loan Factory, you can hear a lot of advices like this. A lot of loan officers, we have a group chat. We chat all the time, and we learn a lot from each other. We listen to advice. So we have a lot of different group, and you can join. You can chat with them to get to know other loan officer. So at Loan Factory, you don't work by yourself. We work together. We help each other. Yeah, thank you, Craig. Hello, hi, Brian.
Hey, quick question I have. When you go in and select what comp you want to be on, can you do different comps for different, like for conventional, can I set it at 1.5, and then for FHA and government 2.5?
No, because for anti-steering, we don't want the regulator to come in and say, hey, why do you set your comp this way? You know.
No, well, the only reason I asked, because I was playing around on a person's in Missouri, I was playing on a person's website, and when his came up for his conventional rates, he had a different price range that the customer can see, his broker comp, and then on his governments, he had 2.5.
No, we cannot do that. We cannot do that. We have to keep it consistent. If the regulars knock on the door and say, hey, how come FHA you make more money than conventional? It's hard to explain. You know,
his was like that on his website when I was playing around with the rates. So
yeah, I don't feel comfortable doing that. It's kind of not fair for the consumer.
But this was on Loan Factory's. I was on Loan Factory site. The guy was a loan officer in Missouri, and his came up differently. That's what made me ask the question, because I didn't understand why. He had 1% for VA, he had 1.5 for conventional, and he had 2.5 for FHA.
No, but against loan officer, we allow you to change your comp from loan to loan. So you can always adjust your comp to help the client. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Sherry. Hello, Sherry.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you, Sherry.
Yeah, I met you at a convention a couple months ago.
Yes.
But and now I'm finally ready to join. A couple questions I had. I have I told you previously I was a mortgage broker and ran an office, so my production isn't going to show because of my previous positions. But I'm getting a real estate franchise that's just starting, and I have an insurance agency. So now with mortgage, I want to, build it out. Is there any, and I'm sure with the over 1,000 loan officers, you have others that may have real estate offices or insurance or whatsoever. So is there anything, do you have anything in particular, like some type of integration between, Loan Factory, the insurance agency, and the real estate franchise? And I will be recruiting. So I didn't hear you mention anything about that yet, as far as bringing on loan officers and real estate. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We want you to recruit loan officer to join Loan Factory, and we pay you a bonus. And tell me about the insurance. Are you having an insurance agency and you want referral to your agency?
Yes, I have the agency. I've been in mortgage for like over 25 years, and real estate for 16, and insurance now for the past few years. And I'm still working the real estate, but I just started an insurance agency. This way, everything is one stop. It's underneath, the same umbrella. So as I grow, and I'm opening a franchise. I just got the approval, and we'll have the green light within the next 30 days or 60 days. So between the three, I want to, grow it out and go into recruitment mode within the next few weeks.
Sure, yeah.
And I really want to expand on the mortgage, and I really want to expand on the real estate.
Yeah. So here at Loan Factory, you can make friends with all the loan officers so that they can send you insurance business. And we also integrate with Moso Insurance in California. So of course, if you have good product on insurance, we can refer you. But again, we kind of busy, so you have to work with all the loan officer. But if you recruit, if you bring loan officer to Loan Factory, you will get a bonus too. We have a bonus policy. You get a bonus, and or the stock. So yeah, we love to work with you with all of these area. Yeah, thank you. And you can ask the support staff when they call you. You can chat with them. They will give you the answer. Thank you.
That's perfect. And one other question: with the leads that you have, is that paid? Are we paying for those leads?
Most of the lead we give to our loan officer are free. If you pay, you get 100% commission. But right now we are not ready to sell the lead yet. Right now we give it to the loan officer for free. But then we will split the commission. So in 42 states, we give the lead. We give the client to you. So let's say the client go to loanfactory.com website and fill out the application. We'll give it to you, but we only pay you 25 bps. However, you're gonna be the loan officer. You build relationship with the client, and the client is yours. In the future, if the client come back, they reach out to you, they are yours. So it's a good way for you to grow your business.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And you have teams?
Yeah, we have team. You can build team.
Okay.
You can join a team. We have that. Yeah.
Great.
Thank you, Sari. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Gerard.
Yes, sir. I got 2 questions. One to follow up on that. What does the farm list look like right now per state for those leads that you can dial up?
What do you mean farmless?
So
In
the amount of
state?
leads, for example, per state, is it a pool of several thousand? Is it, a few hundred? What does that look like at the moment?
We have, let me share with you the screen.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. The leads are very unpredictable. The lead is very unpredictable. So for example, here on the company lead, you can turn it on. Company lead is not a lot. Facebook lead, we get Facebook lead, but the quality is not good. You know that.
Yeah.
We have a lot of Equifax trigger lead. The trigger lead. Also, it's also tough to deal with trigger lead.
Yeah.
And then lately we have Rocket lead. So Rocket gives us a batch of 1,000 lead like every week. But now for some reason, they send it to us in 3 states only. So we're asking them to send us more. So we have lead, these type of lead, but again, it's not a lot. You can, like Rocket, they give us 1,000 every week. Trigger lead, we can buy a lot of lead, but so far, not many people can successfully convert them. Yeah.
Okay.
That's my recommendation is you should run your own ads.
Yeah.
Facebook ads here. And when you run these Facebook ads, I recommend you to run it. And the cost is around $4 per lead, per Facebook lead.
And that'll be better quality than what you receive in general from the pool of leads from the Facebook leads that you have.
It's similar. We run Facebook lead as well.
I see. Okay.
At Loan Factory, our marketing team run Facebook lead to get lead as well. So you can do it yourself, or you can work with our marketing team. Yeah.
Okay. And then my second question is to broker out of state. What does that process look like? So for example, if I'm licensed in the state of Arizona, I've got a client out in Idaho or out in Ohio, for example.
Yes. If you don't have a license, it's best if you have license in this state, then you can make money. But if you don't have a license, if you are W-2, you can refer to the company and you get paid 50% of the commission. 50%. You don't have to pay anything. You don't need to work anything. The company take care of everything and you get paid 50%. So that is for referral to the company. If you are 1099, I recommend you to get the license so that you can earn that commission. You should get the license.
I see. Okay. So there's a way to refer out to another LO and then do a commission split with them, for example.
The thing is, in the past it happened, and I see argument. You refer to someone and that person close loan and don't pay you. It's out of our control. We don't know anything happened between you two, so it's tough.
I see. Okay, that makes sense. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Let me see who's next. Who has another question? I think I answered all the questions. Also, hey, LaToya, you have more questions? I think it's still.
Yes. Hey, I do.
Yeah.
Do we have like a well, do you all have like a 1% down program with any of the companies?
We do have that from Rocket. Yeah, 1% down, 2% free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
Rocket has it. Yeah.
Rocket
Hello, Will. Let's try again.
Hey, Tuan, I think I have my Wi-Fi fixed. Yes, sir.
Got it.
Super quick. I'm also a financial advisor. And you had mentioned the stock award for the consistent production, right? 5 loans per month. 10,000 shares. I checked. You're not a private company, so just a quick question on the valuation. I know it's best. You don't vest for a year. At that point, do you bring in an independent auditor and have it valued, or how do you work that? Thank you.
Yeah, every year we do evaluation to reassess the company every year. So we work with Pooley to manage these ISU and the stock, and we have to do valuation every year. Yeah, and they handle all of the rent. They keep track of everything. Yeah, basically we have a company take care of this for us. Thank you, Will.
That's
And
perfect. Thank you.
loan officer, if you close one loan, average, if you close one loan per month in the past 12 months, you get stock, and the stock will be vested in a year, 100% vested in 1 year. Thank you, Will. Hi, Deborah.
Yeah, I'm trying to sign on today. I'm just trying to get through my licensing. I just passed and all that good stuff in Washington. And what I'm wondering is just because I really wouldn't mind going after commercial deals, and I didn't know if you provided leads for that. What are the parameters in commercial in commercial loans and so on? And that's just basically the question that I had.
Yeah, so for commercial, we it's very tough to deal with commercial loan, commercial client. It's hard to make sure they qualify, make sure it's hard to close that transaction. So we are still building up that division, even though we have a lot of lenders, but we need someone good to handhold everyone else. So I'm talking to a few experts so that they can be the leader of the commercial division. So it's still going on right now, and I cannot promise anything. But all you know is we have a lot of lenders that can do commercial. If you have a commercial client, you can reach out to these lenders and work with them so that you can close the transaction for them and make money. Commercial is always big transaction. It's always good, but it's tough to close. It's tough to find a lender for your clients. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Jamie.
Hey, so one last question that I had was on your rates. I can't see where I can find DPA pricing and loan options. How do I do that? Yes, sir.
DPA, you have to be part of Loan Factory. If you look at my website here, you go to Marketplace, we have a tab called DPA program. And here we have all kinds of DPA program. And we show the name here, 1+, which is 1% down payment. We have JMAC, FHA, CLTV, DPA, all kind of program from all kind of lender. Okay. And you can filter by state, by lender name, or by borrower type, like Arizona. Then you can see these lender.
Can you pull North Carolina, please?
Yeah, here's the North Carolina.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you do Washington?
Yeah, we can do Washington. Yeah, here. So 0 down, BFF, DPA. Every lender have their own DPA. You have to reach out to them, see share appreciation. We have information here, like Chinoa Fund. We have eligible income limit, education, homeowner occupancy. We have these things. Benefit, repayable, and forgivable up to 3.5% or 5%. So these are the lender with the program that you can use. This is the best that we can do. Of course, you can find more lender to help, and we will onboard them if they have any.
Do you do the state bond programs if we choose
that one? It's so funny. Most of the good program, they only want to work with direct lender, And those direct lender, they know that. So they don't work with broker. Instead, they keep it for their retail operation and they charge a high rate. They make a lot of money. So it's kind of funny. You help the borrower, but the borrower end up paying high interest rate. It's just funny. And that's why my hope is I can become a direct lender so that I can offer all of these rate program for the consumer, for the loan officer.
Yes, we have one in North Carolina that the rate isn't high because it's a federally funded program and they get $15,000 in assistance.
Mhm.
So it doesn't affect the rate. Like today it's 6.1.
That's good. That's good. And we are open. If any lender, if any government want, if we can sign up, we will sign up. We don't mind as long as we help the client. Yeah. Thank you, Jamie. Hello, Dong Nguyen. I think I answer you right. Hello, Jerry. Hi, Jerry.
Yes, you answer my question. Johnson.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, thank you. Hi, Jerry. One more thing is we have a mobile app. I want you to try to download it and play with it. It's so cool. Our mobile app is really powerful. It allows you to travel anywhere. You can work with the processor, with the client easily. So you don't need a computer anymore. You can travel anywhere. You can use the mobile app to work on the loan. So it's easy, powerful. And I want you to try it out. And I want you to compare Loan Factory versus other company, your lender, your company right now. Hi, Jerry. Hello, Jerry. I will come back to you later. So anyone have question for me? Please ask me. As you can see, the technology is amazing. We are building agentic AI. The AI can help us automate underwriting, automate processing. So we are working on that. We almost done with the DTI calculation. So eventually you can see our technology is amazing. We rely a lot on AI to help us get things done faster. And the goal is to close loan fast so that you are happy, the client are happy, right? So we invest a lot in technology and we aim to have the best technology out there and become the lender too. We try to become a lender so that we have better pricing for everyone. So thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. And feel free to ask my staff if you have any question, or if you need to talk to me afterward. You let my team know, and I can talk to you if you have any question for me. But I guarantee you, we are the best. You can. I want to challenge you. Compare Loan Factory versus any company. Compare the pricing. Compare the support, marketing, technology, and all of that we offer to you for free. You don't have to pay for it. Nothing. Unlike many other places, they charge you a high split. They charge you a monthly fee. They make you pay for all the software, and they don't provide live support like us. So I want you to shop around a lot, compare, and decide what's good for you. And if you're not ready, that's fine. You can join us later. As long as you learn something from me and you can take it and apply to your company, to your business. And I really want you to keep comparing so that you get better and better. You have the right to demand your company to offer you more. If they charge you a lot, if they charge a high split or monthly fee, you demand more and more because the competition is there. It's tough to be successful in this environment. Hi, Escobar.
Yes, hi, John. So quick questions in regards to the non-QM programs and
Yes.
other programs like bank statements, P&L, DSCR.
Yes.
I'm not sure you touched those topics. And I'm in California and we're working a
Yes.
lot of those programs. Do you cover those programs?
Yeah, we have great program. So you see my screen, right? We have a pricing engine where you can run a non-QM program. to find out the best lender. Like here, you want to do bank statement program, right? You can get quote and you can see the pricing. You can see the pricing. I want to make sure. See the pricing here. We have 10 lender, 12 lender, 13 lender offer 6.375 with no point. And you can click on it to see the ranking. Valerie have the best rate, wholesale mortgage banker. You go down the list. And that's why it's so powerful to use this pricing engine so that you can pick the best lender with the best pricing. Right. Remember, if you don't have it, you might end up with AmWest. You pay $4,000 extra. You pay Rocket $4,700 extra. So a lot of lenders have good rate and a lot of lenders have bad rate. And it's so important to use our pricing engine to check around and save money. The money come out your pocket. Remember that. Instead of choosing this lender and pay $2,500, you can choose this lender and pocket the $2,500, right? Why not? So that's why you should shop around crazy. And at Loan Factory, we shop around every single client to make sure they get the best deal.
So are those programs applies for a single family residence only or units or?
Right here, purchase, occupancy, bank rate, self-employed, single family. We have all the parameter here. You can play around with it. And if it's investment, it's DSCR. You can choose the DSCR ratio and you can refresh the rate. You can see the rate. It's really good. Here's the rate right here. Yeah. And you can compare them.
Okay. So my other question, Tuan, so thank you, by the way. So for a licensed real estate agent here in California with an MLO license, that they need to change their broker?
What license do you have in California?
Real estate and MLO.
Okay. So
Under the DRE.
Oh, DRE. So Loan Factory, we are a real estate broker. So if you want, you can move. You can do real estate and loan with Loan Factory in California, both.
Right.
And real estate, we only charge you $6.95 per transaction. No monthly fee, no yearly fee, no insurance, no nothing.
Got it. And that has to be the only way, right?
That is the only. There are two ways. One way is to move over everything, real estate and mortgage, DRE, so that you can be 1099. The other way is you keep that DRE with the current broker. For loan, you get the DFPI license, and you can hang that DFPI license with Loan Factory. But DFPI license, you have to be W-2, and you get paid only 90%.
Or switch to a broker level, right?
Or become a broker. Yeah.
Right, which is my path. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Sorry.
So thank you for the answers, John.
I guess I'll ask the onboarding because I'm in Washington and I'm a realtor in Washington. So that wouldn't apply to me.
Wouldn't apply there because we don't have a real estate license in Washington. Yeah. You can be 1099 in Washington. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. So thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoy the webinar and stay in touch. If you want to come back next week, feel free to come back and join next week. We use the same link. You can come back and listen for more. And you can always reach out and talk to me if you want to. Let the team know that you want to chat with me. I would love to chat with you. And I think now is the time. We've been waiting for many years for rate to drop, right? And we all suffer. Now is the time for you to change, to make money because rates are dropping. If you still cannot get more clients, if you still struggle, that is not good. You must take action. You must change. Otherwise, you're going to be like this forever. So if you are not happy, you must change. You must take action. And that's what I recommend you to do. Work harder. Take steps to make sure that you have better rate, better service to your client. The client, they come to you because you offer better rate and better service. And if you cannot offer that, they go somewhere else. So much competition. So my advice for you is you have to work harder. You have to take steps to improve your business so that you are competitive. You can offer the best to your client so that they have to come to you. So thank you, everyone. Thank you. You have a nice weekend. Thank you.